On September 10, the 13-going-on-30 actress was out and about teaching her kids a few simple life lessons in Brentwood. It's all about family bonding time for Jennifer Garner, 49, who taught her youngest children, daughter Seraphina, 12, and son Samuel, 9, how to pump gas on September 10. The actress looked content as ever as she sweetly gave her children a step-by-step tutorial on how to pump their own gas at a local station in Brentwood. After all, they'll be driving in no time. Jennifer, who shares both kids, plus daughter Violet, 15, with ex-Ben Affleck, was dressed super casual in a navy sweater layered with a white undershirt and jeans. She completed her minimalistic fit with black sunglasses, sneakers, and had her brunette tresses pulled back for the outing. Like Mom, the children also opted for comfort for the outing. In the photos, the doting mom was seen walking Samuel through the process, who shortly after handed the nozzle off to Seraphina so she could get in on the action. Related gallery. "25 cute photos of celeb moms out with their kids, Gwen Stefani and more." While Jennifer and the kids were back in Brentwood, her ex-hubby Ben was in Venice, Italy with his lover, Jennifer Lopez, 52. The two appeared to be so in love as they packed on PDA while attending the premiere of his film The Last Duel at the Venice Film Festival. The lovebirds walked the carpet together like they didn't miss a beat in 18 years and looked like the ultimate glamour couple. J.Lo wore a thigh-high slid white dress with a low-cut plunging neckline. The silver detailing matched the silver heels she opted to wear for the occasion. The stunner looked absolutely gorgeous and toned as ever. Ben cleaned up nicely as well for the outing. Wearing a black tux, the Argo star couldn't keep his eyes, and hands for that matter, off of his girlfriend as they posed up a storm and packed on the PDA for the cameras. Since the revival of Ben Affleck, their romance has been non-stop. The couple have been spotted on vacation and trips together with their children, including J.Lo's twins Max and Em, 13, whom she shares with ex-husband Mark Anthony, and the duo were even photographed house hunting together across Los Angeles in July. Furthermore, Ben was pictured looking at engagement rings at the Century City, California Tiffany's alongside his mom Sam and son Samuel on August 23. While the lovebirds may not be heading down the aisle at this time, it's clear this hot and heavy romance has no signs of slowing down.